two things is very big. Okay, for example, Germany is bigger than England, but China is much bigger than England. Okay,
Mm,
much more. Okay, so if we put the word much before a comparative, okay, it communicates that the difference between the two things is very big. Okay,
okay.
okay. So for example, Germany is better than England. I mean, bigger than England. Okay,
Okay.
but China is much, okay, much bigger, okay, than England. Okay,
Mm, you must come.
okay.
It mean China um, which more than England very much.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Are you sure?
Gentlemen, 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 the same England.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So did you understand this one, Sir Chen?
Mm,
Did you understand?
two thing,
Okay. So again, if we put the word, okay, if we put the word much, okay, the word much, okay,
mm,
before a
mm.
comparative. Okay, comparative. Bigger is comparative, okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Why not Germany is much bigger than England?
Okay, it's very hot here. Okay. So again, what was your question, Mr. Chen? I
Why not Germany is much bigger than England?
okay, because you're just comparing the two countries yet, okay? But there is much bigger place than England, which is China. So if you are comparing two countries first, okay, but there is much bigger than them, okay, then that's the time you're gonna use the word much.
Mm,
Okay, so at first, okay, since you are comparing Germany and England, yeah, of course
mm,
you need to use the comparative bigger yet. I mean, first,
yes.
okay, Germany is bigger than England, okay, because you're just comparing two countries. But since there is much bigger, okay, between the two of them, I mean, yes, there is much bigger than them, okay, than those countries. Then that's the time you're gonna use the word much. Okay.
No.
Okay. So okay, for example, another example. Okay, so you can say Lucy is beautiful. I mean, uh, Lucy. Okay, you can say Lucy uh is more beautiful than Stephanie, like that. Okay,
Okay.
okay. But you can say, let's say, let's say Beverly is much beautiful than Lucy, like that. Okay, so if you're going to compare two people or two things, okay, no, don't need, I mean, don't use much first, okay? I mean,
Okay.
don't use much yet, okay? So we are referring to Germany and England, okay? So let's just use bigger at first. But if there is much bigger than those countries, then that's the time we're gonna use much. Okay, so Germany is bigger than England, but China is much bigger than England.
Mm,
Okay,
okay. Okay.
so as you can see, we have Germany, we have England, and China, right?
Yes.
Yes. But if there is no China here, okay, you don't need to use much yet. Okay, so you have to say Germany is bigger than England. Okay, you just have to use much if there is still another place, okay, or another thing to compare.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, is it clear? Did you
Mm,
understand? Did you understand, Mr.
I
Sen?
yes, I do understand, but mm, when
But
mm, much always use the second comparative
yes, yes,
always.
yes. If you are comparing, okay, if you're comparing, okay,
Okay.
but if you are not comparing, let's say for example, you can use the word much. For example, if you're going to say to your wife, "I miss you so much" or "I miss you very much," okay, you're not comparing. You're not comparing, so it's okay to use the word much in that case.
Yes. Yeah, can I say China much bigger than England, but Germany is bigger than England.
Mm, no, it should be much should be mentioned on the
Mm.
second action. Yeah, second sentence. Okay, or
Always, always
yes, yes,
use much in circumcision.
yes, yes.
Uh, yes, okay.
Okay. So again, it communicates that the difference between the two things is very big. Okay, so yeah, at first we're talking about the difference between Germany and England, right?
Yes,
Yes, it communicates the difference between the two things, which is Germany and England. Okay, but since there is bigger than those countries, then that's the time you're gonna use the much.
yes,
Okay, so is it clear?
yes.
Okay. Okay, so why do you speak English much better now than you did 6 months ago?
Yes.
Why do you speak English much better now than you did 6 months ago?
I speak English much better now than I did 6 months ago because I had much more practice.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, okay, much more. Okay, so again, why do you speak English much better now than you did 6 months ago? So I speak English much better now than I did 6 months ago because I've had much more practice. Okay,
Yes.
I have had much more practice.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so next question. Why is a Rolls Royce much more expensive than an ordinary car? Why is Rolls Royce much more expensive than an ordinary car?
Yeah. A Rolls Royce is much more expensive than an uh, original car because it takes longer to make than an original car.
Mm-hmm. Okay, ordinary. Okay.
Ordinary,
Okay,
ordinary,
again, or ordinary car. Again.
ordinary car.
Okay. So a Rolls Royce is much more expensive than an ordinary car because it takes longer to make than an ordinary car.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So next one. Yeah, shall we move on? Okay.
Contrary,
Mm-hmm.
contrary.
Contrary. Okay. Contrary. Okay. Do you know the meaning of this word?
No, no, no. I don't know. Contrary, con, contrary. What mean contrary?
Can you see my screen?
Uh, no, mm, no,
Okay.
no. It's that.
Contrary or
Yes, okay. The same. Yes, the same. Opposite. Opposite.
mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes. Opposite or reverse. Okay.
Reverse. Okay.
Yes. Or contradictory, conflict, conflicting, incompatible, like that, opposing. Okay.
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 Yes.
What about atmosphere? Do
Yes.
you know the meaning of
Atmosphere.
atmosphere?
Yes, I know. I know. Atmosphere.
Uh huh. Okay then. So
Fall.
next, yes. Okay.
Temperature.
Honky.
Yes. Okay. Atmosphere mean the air in place.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Or you
Mm,
can say, huh. You can also say ambience. Ambience. Okay.
ambience.
Uh huh. Yes,
Okay.
it's like you can say the ambience is good. Okay, or the ambience is comfortable. Like that.
Yes.
Okay. Atmosphere. Okay. So what's another word for opposite?
The another word for opposite is contrary.
Okay. Contrary. What's the
Co-
contrary of the? Uh huh.
yes, contrary.
Okay. So another word for opposite is contrary. So what's the contrary of the verb to rise?
Mm, right, the horse. Right. What's the mean? Right. Right.
Like for example, the sun rises in the morning. Yes, or
Yes, yes, yes. The
mhm,
sunrise in morning.
okay. Or you can also say in the morning you'll get up at 6 o'clock. Okay.
Yes.
So you can also say you rise up from the bed, from bed.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay. Yes. Yeah, I do
Okay.
understand it. Okay.
Okay. Next is the temperature of the atmosphere falling this month.
Uh, no, the temperature of the atmosphere. Uh, yes, the temperature of the atmosphere falling this month.
Okay. Again,
Uh,
temperature, temperature, temper,
temperature,
temperature.
temperature,
Okay, not temperature, not temperature. It's temperature. Okay, temperature.
temperature,
Okay, atmosphere,
atmos,
atmosphere.
atmosphere,
Okay, it's at Mr. Chen. At.
at,
Okay, at
atmosphere.
atmosphere. Okay,
Okay.
okay, okay. Next, if your body temperature falls a lot, what should you do?
If my body uh, temperature falls a lot, I
Mm-hmm.
should go to bed and call a doctor.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So of course, when you say fall, falls a lot. It's lower down your temperature. It lowers down your temperature. Okay, it's low.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, because when we say fall, okay, it goes down, right?
yes.
Okay. Okay, so next one.
Uh, tooth,
Mm-hmm.
tooth, teeth,
Mm-hmm.
tooth, brush, dentist,
Mm-hmm. Okay. So read after me, Mr. Chen. Tooth. Tooth.
tooth, tooth,
Okay. Teeth. Teeth.
teeth, teeth,
Okay, very good. Toothbrush. Toothbrush.
toothbrush.
Okay, again, it's shh. The final sound, Mr. Chen, it's shh. Okay, keep
Okay.
quiet. Keep
Uh,
quiet. Shh. Okay?
yes. Yes.
Okay, so toothbrush.
Yeah,
Okay?
toothbrush.
Okay, that's better. Very good. Okay,
Okay.
and we have dentist.
Dentist.
All right. Okay, so what is the plural? Okay, what is the plural of tooth?
The plural of tooth is teeth.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So what do we clean our teeth with? What do
We
we clean our
clean we clean our teeth with a toothbrush.
All right, of course. Okay. So we clean our teeth with a toothbrush. All right. Next question. If you have a problem with your teeth, who should you go to see? Who should you go to see? Okay, if you have a
Mm,
problem with your teeth, who should you go to see?
yes. If I have a problem with my teeth, I should go to see a dentist.
Mm-hmm, of course. Okay, I should go to see a dentist. Okay,
Yes.
all right. Okay, so next we have
Seam.
seem. Okay, so does it seem to you as if it will rain later? Does it seem to you as if it will rain later?
Mm, Same
Hello?
sim.
Okay,
Oh,
seem.
sim. What means sim? What
Okay.
sim?
Seem. Does it seem to you as if, okay.
Sim.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, sim.
Okay, did you understand?
Yes, I understand it. I do
Okay.
understand. Yeah.
Okay, very
Mm,
good. Okay, so seem, we have also this meaning.
yes.
Okay.
Mm,
Okay. So,
yes.
yes, does it seem to you as if it will rain later?
Mm, no, it doesn't seem to me as it is it rained later.
Okay.
Mm,
Yes, because it's not rainy season now. Okay. Right?
yes.
Okay. Next
Yes.
question. Why do some
Okay.
people seem younger than they really are? Okay,
Mm,
why do some people seem younger than they really are?
some people seem younger than they really are because the way they look, the way they talk, the things they do, etc.
Mm-hmm. All right. Okay, so why do some people seem younger than they really are? Yes, some people seem younger than they really are because of the way they look, the way they talk, and the things they do, etc.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so does it seem warmer to you today than it was yesterday?
Uh, uh, no, it doesn't seem warmer to me today than it was yesterday.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so what about this one? Does it seem warmer? No, 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 no. Okay, so did you understand, Mr. Chen?
Yes, yes, I do understand.
Okay, very good. So let's proceed to the next word.
Okay. Several.
Mm-hmm. Okay, several. Okay. So are you ill several times during the year?
No, no, I'm not used several times during the year.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah. Uh, okay. Maybe you have um, your, what do you call this one? Your immunity system is good.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, that's great then. Okay, so do some very rich people have houses in several different countries?
Yes, sometimes very rich people have houses in several different countries.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, yes, very rich people have houses in several different countries. Okay, so yes, they can have or they can build as many houses as they can if they are rich people, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so they can make five houses in different places, yes, or six houses or more.
Yes,
Yes, but it's being impractical, right?
yes.
Impractical. Okay, so let's continue. Did you
Okay.
understand? Do you have any questions so far?
No, no, no question.
No question. Okay. Okay,
Mm,
so let's proceed. Compose, be composed of.
Compose, be composed, composed up.
Okay.
Mm,
Oh, okay, so question. Did Did Mozart compose a lot of music?
Yes, Mozart composed a lot of music.
Okay. Do you find it difficult to compose formal letters?
Mm,
Mm-hmm.
mm, no, no, I don't find it difficult uh, to compose formal letters. I say it easy.
Mm-hmm. Okay then. Okay, so next question. We only have 3 minutes left, Mr. Chen. Time flies so fast. Yeah?
Uh,
It's very fast. Okay, we only have 3 minutes left. Okay, next
mm,
question. How many letters is the English alphabet composed of?
mm, the English alphabet is composed of 26 letters.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Letters, okay? So the
Yeah.
English alphabet is composed of 26 letters. Okay, of course, from letters A to B.
Yes.
I mean Z, okay? Z.
Ye-
Okay, the
yes.
final uh yes, the final letter. Okay. Okay, so is Europe composed of many different countries?
Mm, yes. Oros composed of many different countries.
Mm-hmm. Okay then. So is Europe composed of many different countries? Yes, of course. Okay, Europe is composed of many different countries, like
Mm,
Asian also. But what do you
yeah.
think is what do you call this one? Is uh what do you call this one? Uh-huh. So what do you think is the is it Asian or Europe? Okay, which one is which one
Mm,
has a lot of countries? Is it
it's,
Europe or Asian?
yes. Europe. Europe.
Mm-hmm.
I think Europe.
Okay, it's Europe.
Europe.
Okay,
Europe.
Europe. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Europe.
Again. Okay.
Yeah, Europe.
Okay. Okay, it's Europe. Okay.
Europe.
Europe. Okay. So yes. Next one we have wise and wisdom.
Wise. Wisdom.
Mm-hmm. Okay, wise wisdom. So do you agree that it's wise to put some money in the bank each month for later on in life? Do you agree that it's wise to put some money in the bank each month for later on in life?
Yes, I agree that it's wise to put some money in the bank each month for later on in life.
Mm-hmm. Okay then.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, Mr. Chen, it's too sad to say it's already time.
Okay.
Yes, time flies so fast as always. So let me say thank you so much again for having my class today, Mr. Chen.
Yes.
Okay, have a good night. Okay, so
Bye
are we going?
bye.
Yeah, so let's see each other again. on.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, see you again on tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow.
Yes. Okay then. Okay, so thank you so much again. See you tomorrow, Mr. Chen.
Okay,
Bye
thank you.
bye. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.